Demystifying the ACT Reading Comprehension format. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're diving deep into the ACT Reading Comprehension format. If you're preparing for the ACT, understanding this format is crucial for success. So, let's get started. The ACT Reading Comprehension is one of the 4 sections in the ACT exam. It is designed to assess your ability to understand and interpret written texts. But, don't worry, by understanding its format, you're already one step ahead in mastering it. The ACT Reading Comprehension section consists of 40 questions that you must answer in 35 minutes. This means you have just under a minute for each question. There are typically 4 passages, each with 10 questions. Passage types. Prose fiction. This might be an excerpt from a novel or a short story. Social studies. Texts related to history, sociology, and other social sciences. Humanities. Could be from personal essays, art criticism, or other forms of expressive writing. Natural sciences. Think biology, chemistry, physics, and environmental science. Each passage is about 750 to 900 words long. The questions test your ability to comprehend main ideas, identify details, understand sequences, make comparisons, and deduce the meaning of words or phrases. 1. Skim first. Before diving deep, skim the passage to get a general idea. This helps in answering general questions faster. 2. Underline key details. As you read, underline or mentally note main points or details. They're often the key to answering specific questions. 3. Answer questions in batches. Once you've read a passage, try to answer its related questions all at once. This way, the content is still fresh in your mind. 4. Pace yourself. Remember, you have about a minute per question. But don't fret if one passage takes longer. Some might be more complex, while others can be easier and quicker. 5. Trust your instincts. Often, your first instinct is correct. Don't overthink. There you have it, a comprehensive look at the ACT Reading Comprehension format. Remember, like any skill, reading comprehension improves with practice. So, the more familiar you become with this format and the more you practice, the better you'll get. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you all the best in your ACT preparations. Until next time, happy studying!